Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science Class 7. Today we will learn 7th Standard Social Science Term 2 History Unit 1 Vijayanagar and Brahmani Kingdom. Let's move on to the lesson Part 2 Vijayanagar and Brahmani Kingdom. Vijayanagar Administrative. The king succession for hereditary structure of governance, the emperor was divided into different mandalam, nadu, talas, and finally into gramas. Each province administered by a governor called Mandeleswara. The army was modernized and consist in infantry, cavalry, and elephant corps and began using firearms. The combination of firearm and cavalry made them one of the most feared armies in India. Let's move on to the next topic. Economic condition. The Vijayanagar Empire was one of the richest states then known to the world. Several foreign travelers visited. Who visited the empire during 15th and 16th centuries left behind going account of splendors and wealth. The emperor issues a large number of gold coins called varahas. Next topic, agriculture. Vijayanagar Empire followed irrigation policy. Apart from the state, there were wealthy landholders and temples invested in irrigation to promote agriculture. The city was well stocked with a variety of agricultural goods. Cottage industries. Vijayanagar agriculture production was supplemented by numerous cottage scale industries. The most of them were textile, mining, and metallurgy. Trade. Trade during the Vijayanagar Empire, England coastal and overseas trade, clarification goods like silk from China, spices from Malabar region, precious stone from Burma. Vijayanagar traded with Persia, South Africa, Portugal, Arabia, China, Southeast Asia, and Sri Lanka. Are you clear, children? Very good. Literature. The secular books written in different languages, which has Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, and Tamil. Krishna Devaraya wrote Amuktam Malayayada, an epic in Telugu, and Sanskrit drama Jambavati Kalyanam. Tenali Ramakrishnan wrote Panduranga Mahatyam. Next, architecture. The followed new style called Vijayanagara style. Pillar and brace prominent in large numbers. Manner in which sculpture hallmark in Vijayanagar style. Horse was the most common animal to be depicted on the pillar. Brahmani kingdom. Brahmani kingdom was also called as Muslim kingdom. The founder of Brahmani kingdom is Alauddin Bahmani Shah, and who is popular known as Hassan Gangu in 1347. The capital of Bahmani kingdom is Gulbarga. After that, his successor changed the capital from Gulbarga to Bidar in 1429. Alauddin Brahmani Shah, he ruled for 11 years. Alauddin Brahmani Shah divided the empire into 4 traditional divisions called Tarafs. A governor was appointed for each province. Army was very powerful during his region and became weaker during the region of weaker ruler. Muhammad Shah I. He was succeeded Brahmani Shah. He defeated Bukka I, the Vijayanagara ruler, and also defeated Kappaya Nayaks of Warangal. Muhammad Shah II. He was a peace-loving and developed friendly relationship with neighbors. Patron of culture and learning, he built many mosques and hospitals. Muhammad Shah III. He became Sultan at the age of 9 in 1463 AD. Muhammad Gawan, the most notable personality of the time, came after Muhammad Shah III. Under his guidance, Bahmani kingdom became very powerful. Muhammad Gawan was very wise scholar and able administrator. He improved administration, education, revenue system, discipline, army, and abolished corruption. The Deccan nobles grew jealous of his successor and consider him as an obstacle of their rise. The forging a letter to implicate Gawan in a conspiracy against Sultan, who himself was not happy with Gawan's dominance, ordered his to execution. Decline of Brahmani kingdom. After his death, his long rule is noted for the beginning of disintegration. During his period, the Sultanate gradually broke up to 5 independent kingdoms, namely Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Birar, Golconda. Contribution of art, education, and architecture. Education. He encouraged Arabic and Persian language. He opened many institutions for the purpose of educating children. Mahmud Gawan's world famous Madrasa in Bidar, with a large library, content and collection of 3000 manuscript in illustrate of importance given to scholarship and education by Gawan. Are you clear, children? Now, architecture. The contribution of Brahmani kingdom to the architecture is evident in Gulbarga. The most prominent is the Golconda fort. These finds are illustrative of their architectural skills. Dear children, I hope you all are understand this lesson clearly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. This lesson is over.